You can use Excel's convert function to create a conversion table containing every possible type of conversion you need for a set of measures. The Excel convert function converts a number in one measurement system to another. For example, you can convert tablespoon into teaspoon, feet into meters, pounds into kilograms, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and many other unit conversions. The syntax for the function is convert within parenthesis number, comma, from unit, comma, to unit. The convert function requires three arguments: a number value, the unit you are converting from, and the unit you are converting to. Excel defines conversion codes for each unit of measure. These codes are specific and must be entered exactly. For example, to convert 68 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, use the formula. Codes are case sensitive. For example, entering a convert formula using meter or uppercase M instead of the expected lowercase m will return an error. Excel provides a tooltip as you start entering your convert function, letting you pick the correct unit codes from a list. If the input data types are incorrect, convert returns the pound value error. Example, passing number 10 as text 10. From unit and to unit, units have to be from the same group. If the units are in different groups, convert returns the pound NA error value. For example, if you try to convert gram to meter, you get an error. If units does not exist, an error is returned. Example, there is no unit like large. Once you have the codes in which you are interested, you can enter them in a matrix style table. For example, you can create a table to convert teaspoon to tablespoons, ounces to quart, etc. Enter codes in B3 to B10 and C2 to J2. In the top left cell in your matrix, enter the convert formula, pass 1 for the number argument. For the from unit and to unit arguments, points to the appropriate conversion codes from the matrix row and matrix column B3 and C2. Lock the references to the conversion codes using absolute references. For the codes located in the matrix row, lock the column reference. So make column B absolute by entering a $sign in front of B. For the codes located in matrix column, lock the row reference. So make row 2 absolute by entering a $sign in front of 2. Now copy the formula across the entire matrix using fill handle. You can copy any way you want. First across row and then column. First across column and then row. You can format them as required. Select all the cells in the matrix and click on Format and select Format Cells. Select Number and click on OK. Now you have a conversion table for teaspoon, tablespoon, fluid ounce, etc. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.